you might see some activities like this one. There's a variety of different ways to play and teach using these materials. There are, a rectangle has how many sides, and then you can put out all the different numbers or two numbers and count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is the number 4? This one. So a rectangle has 4 sides. Yay! Right? So we're doing teaching. There was some testing in there, right? Because I said which one is 4, but maybe you're just modeling and teaching. You say, this is the number 4, and we counted 4 sides on a rectangle. There's also numbers, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So you can practice counting, putting in order. Even if you then didn't use the card, but you pulled the numbers and you say, here's 3 and here's 4. Which one's bigger? Right? That would be a test. We could put 3 items and then 4 items and then teach and say 4 is more than 3 with the visual of what is there. The triangle has 3 sides, and if you can see, the triangle is purple and it's outlined in purple, so that can be a cue or a prompt to help the learner. We also could, there's, let's see, a triangle here. And so maybe instead of using the other card, right, we could use this, and this is a triangle. There's also circles and different shapes. Maybe I count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Let's find the number 3. And then I put 3 sides on this triangle, right? You can do colors. There's all sorts of different, we've got pentagon, all sorts of different activities. There's even some instructions in here about how many sides. So you can do that. You could do thinned schedule of reinforcement and maybe give the kiddo a couple different ones to complete on their own. So they would do this one and then do this one and then let you know when they're done so you can provide praise for task completion. So there's so many different ways to use these tools for teaching.